About to have the helmets on, we have the moped. We're about to go to the Lamai overlap stone, explore the east coast of KOH Samui and see everything that it has to offer today. We've arrived at Lamai Viewpoint and there's a zip line, 20 quid each, a little bit steep. So we're just sitting in the cable car here now, waiting to go all the way to the top. It's not even that far, if you can see all the way up. We're just waiting for the rest of the members to come here. And this is what's stopping us from certain death. We are attached together, literally tethered. So that was the Lamai Viewpoint, cable car up, zip line, drone footage, bit of a rip, but I would say definitely worth it if you have money to burn.
Yeah.
We're on the way up to overlap stone 2, because overlap stone 1 is a tourist trap. We drove all the way up. Those hills were pretty steep now, to be honest. They were a bit red hot, but you look, we got up anyway, so we just have to get back down. We're nearly at the top, I think. Yeah, I can see it. It's the big one up over there. Up over there. Look what's keeping this up. The top of the world. Top of the world.
We're on overlap stone 2.
I have to say, health and safety wise, this is absolutely red hot, isn't it?